guys, you people call it festive season. Christmas is around the corner and 2023 is about to fade away. Some people are regretting what they did in 2023 and some people are rejoicing. Yeah, me I'm among the people who are regretting a lot of things that did not do. A lot of projects about culture that we left on the way that would have happened. Now, I'm here to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, just like people always do. What you should know coming up in 2024 is we are partnered with a total of now 20 Acholi chiefs with different chiefdoms in order for us to make sure we bring quality content about culture to you. Many people have been wondering why name changes has been very common on this channel, but wonder no more. That has already been addressed and everything will go on smoothly. What about the question of language? People used to complain that I only use English, but I think last month, November, you have seen quite a good number of changes in our programming where I have involved people in local language, that is Acholi. So, to remind people who love potting, Ugandan government is coming up with a new law which will make your life very difficult. There will be penalty for people who drink from 9 to before 5 p.m. The penalty includes 10 million fine and 10 years in prison. That thing is already being discussed in the parliament, and as it is slated, the bill must be passed, or it might be passed through. So it will be very difficult for those who enjoy the goo, the moga moga, and the rest. And for the long collet, they will be celebrating because they know a good number of people will be joining them in what is called the long collet. So, this is an information to most of you. The program on Acholi Pro Evo TV that has passed through to join DSTV is what is called Jawin. Jawin will join DSTV Showmax online starting January next year, and we have already signed the deal successfully. For those who are on Showmax or paying DSTV Premium, you will be able to get the premium version of Jawin. As you all know, Bagwere is a cartoon program animated in 3D, which reacts to comedic news or funny news. Don't worry about the background noise. It is my friends playing what they love near me. Well, you can see somebody commenting about the background music. Well, just bear with me as long as you can listen to it. It has been a challenging year to many people, even to the Acholi Pro Evo TV, but I would like to highlight some achievement. Our target this year was to make sure that we hit 3,000 videos, which we made it. We now have 3,800 videos, which you can continue watching anytime, and that's going to stay here for thousands of years. And also our target was to have a total of 1 million viewers, and we attained 1,141,109 views. I think that is what I'm taking. Remember, something coming up. Me as the Chief Executive Officer of Acholi Pro Evo TV, my birthday is on the 6th of December. And also, this channel was created on the 6th of December. I'm going to tell you the story of the channel creation, which has knocked together with the birthday of the founder. So now, other updates we would like to let you know is the official website. You can now check Acholi Pro Evo TV website, which is www.acholiproevotv.com. On Facebook, the handle is Acholi Pro Evo TV. You can shop our merchandise, including t-shirts from our UK and US based store. That is from Acholi Pro Evo TV.myspreadshop.com. Pinterest, we are available with Acholi Pro Evo TV handle. On Threads, we are also available the same handle. Instagram, the same handle. And then, WhatsApp channel, you can check the link in the About section of YouTube so that you easily get acquainted. We have also put an email to make it easy for you to contact for whatever reason, maybe for consultation or business reason. You can contact the email by checking the About section of the channel. Many people have been talking a lot about digital content creation. There are some people who talk about compare journalism and digital content creation. Well, that's a discussion we don't enter in. But one thing we have to assure you is the coming of smart TV will challenge the cable TV or the fiber TV through satellite. As you all know, things like YouTube TV, things like Tumblr, things like Daily Motion have already been installed in most of the Android TVs, and you will always be winning. Another program coming up is Kabake. We are not going to call it Kabake, we're going to call it Acholi Parliament. The first one was held in one of the villages in Utura district, and the videos are coming up very soon online. This Kabake or the Acholi Parliament, we want you, the viewers who are abroad, who are not at home, who are in Kampala, those in Canada, United Kingdom and the rest, to have the chance to see the ideas of what people are thinking about government policies, political policies, even traditional policies like bylaws in the community. Something that is funny about some people who call it one bylaw, they don't even know how it came about. Well, then lastly, I would like to let you know about the expanding of the Acholi Pro Evo TV. First of all, let me let you know what Acholi Pro Evo TV is about before I get to that last section. This channel you're watching is the official YouTube channel of Acholi Pro Evo TV, and the person talking is the Chief Executive Officer. Thank you. The 14,680 followers, which I believe by now that I'm talking might have increased by one if I don't mean the job. Now, Acholi Pro Evo TV is a short form for Acholi Professional Evolutional Television, which provides quality news, information, and entertainment, focusing on the Acholi of South Sudan and the Acholi of Uganda. The Acholi of Uganda lives in the districts of Wagago, Amor, Gulu, Kitgum, Lamor, Noya, and Moro. In South Sudan, Acholi are found in Magwi County. Acholi Pro Evo TV is also provides the services covering beyond Africa. Now, we have to know that we have two municipalities in Acholi sub-region and one city, and that city is Gulu. Thanks to the people who have cooperated to make it work like that. Now, also to the followers and well-wishers and friends, whatever person, wherever you are, the way you have supported Acholi Pro Evo TV, if I'm to check my analytics and see the certain things in the analytics as the year, and let me get you also the opportunity for you to see what we always see but you don't see. Like for example, this month alone, we were able to scoop a total of, the month of November, we were able to scoop a total of 172.4 thousand views. That is like 5 town council, if I'm to assume. 5 town council people who are watching. With all of 10,900 watch hours and 758 subscribers just this month. About the money, I'm not going to tell you that because it might enter us into a different discussion. Now, looking at the content statistic, impression rate has gone up to 1.3 million, and then impression click-through rate is up to 8.7%. Then average view duration for most of the videos is 3 minutes 30 seconds, which means people are lasting long, 10 minutes, 30 seconds. If we look at our short forms of content, there is 4,400 views, and then shown in feed is 5,900 views. Then also likes. We've got only 89 likes out of the 200,000 likes from shorts. Shorts are not performing well, and only 18 subscribers from the shorts. Now looking at you, the audiences, we have returning viewers, those who watch and come back. There are a total of 20,000 people. Then unique viewers, those who watch and go away. We have 54,800 viewers. Then also subscribers, I already told you that it was 789, now it has gone to 790. I told you one person will have increased by the time I finish talking at April. Now, I would like to look at the demographic factor, men and women. Okay, most of you people, the time you're watching this thing, the most starts from 6 p.m. East African time is when most of the people are available online to watch this channel. Those who have subscribed with a bell notification are a total of there are 689. Those who have rang the bell. It means the majority of you have not yet clicked on the bell notification button, which makes only 4.7%. It's not very bad. And then subscribers who turn on all notifications are 437, which is 30% of the available subscribers. Now, those who are watching but they have not subscribed, you are up to 81.6%. Then those who have subscribed are 18.4% the number. Looking at the gender, or some people call it sex, the male, in overall, male are a total of 87.8% who are watching us. Then unspecified gender is 0%. What some people call the occurring, all people who are transgender, bisexuals, and the rest, they are 0%. Then female only 12.2%. Now we go to long form videos. Still no change, the same thing. Let's go to shorts. Then shorts is where I've seen changes. Female have gone even down. They're only 4% and the male are 96%. Wow. Women like funny things and there are other things. Here is a serious business mostly. Then live forms, like right now I'm broadcasting, they are only 100%. One thing I would like to inform you is the sound in the background, we don't own the copyright to that song playing, and we are going to remove it afterwards. Apologies for whatever inconvenience is happening. In terms of the age groups, people 13 to 17 years old are 0%. Then people 18 to 24 years old are a total of also 0%. Now, those who are watching seriously are from 25 to 34%, which makes even 100% of the viewers. So the viewers are just 25 to 35 to 34 years old, which is the active youth bracket. Now, watching with subtitles or the text. English subtitles is up to 6.7% and non-subtitles is 88.4%. With this, I think I'm coming to the end of this live broadcast. As I told you before, the sound making noise in the background is not the making of the Acholi Pro Evo TV. We apologize, we're in a public place. It is not our conducive studio. Thank you very much for watching, and as usual, I'm going to meet you in the next video if you stay subscribed. Bye bye. Nice time, and as I told you, prepare that chicken because Christmas is on the way.